soft here, man. Crumbly. We haven't been here in a while, so we found a lot of relics here. Oh man. Oh, I'm in the wrong frequency. I'm getting some feedback from Jim here. Go to 31 kilohertz frequency. Right there.
Yeah, there's 4 people around here, you know, they can only afford to have a car. Look.
Oh, an old Tootsie Toy car, dude. Oh, that's epic, man.
Huh?
It's an old Jeep, yeah. That's killer, dude. Right off the bat, right off the get-go, man. This soil's really hot today, so this is our
I did it.
my first hole. Just a washer, a grommet, tart grommet. This place is crazy, man. Crazy with iron.
You find any old coins here?
Yeah. Some big iron. I'm just gonna dig this big iron out. Because I found a horseshoe here and Jim found an iron horse or a brass horse. Right there. That's some junk. Some iron. Yep. Some junk. This place is freaking absolutely crazy with iron, man. It's pretty shallow here. So much freaking iron here. It's craziness. I think it's gonna be up here. It didn't sound deep, so. Okay. Gotta go deeper on it. There's no way that it was deep. All right, it just sounded shallow. It's right up here. Right there. Some wool. Some nut. Oh my God, there's a restaurant around here somewhere that's just driving me nuts, man. I can smell chicken cooking. Oh. I already got it out. It is up here somewhere, right there. Is it an old button? No, it's a foil seal. I think so, yeah. Yeah, it's an old foil seal. I'm gonna go for it. It's one of our old holes right here. Right here. Right there. Come on. Right near the surface. Oh, that smell of that chicken is, oh my gosh, man. It is so hard to concentrate with that freaking awesome smelling chicken. You're driving me nuts, man. I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be able to hold out without going crazy here. Shotgun shell right there. Oh no, my battery's dead in my pinpointer. Oh, come on, just go off. There we go. This place is crazy, man. Okay. Oh, come on. Just lost freaking connection. Oh, come on. What the hell? The TRX does a lot better in relic dumps anyway. Oh, a little buckle, dude. A dainty little freaking awesome buckle right here.
That's cute.
Fully intact too. You're really easy with it. Oh. Oh man. That is in freaking nice condition too. Look at that. Yeah, killing it. The Deus, man. Just wrecks shop in these relic dumps, man. Oh, it's an old plug to something, yeah.
Yeah.
That's an interesting one. This place is crazy with iron, but man, we found some awesome stuff. And the ground is pretty soft today. Right? It's crumbly. It's not super hard. No, it's a coin. Might be a bottle cap. Yeah, Jim is just using his hand digger. He doesn't have a shovel with him.
Oh, check this out.
The grommet. Oh wow, dude. It's an old three-wheeler, man. That's crazy. It's an old three-wheeler, man. That's sickening.
I think the rest of it's gonna be here.
Oh yeah?
Maybe.
I remember we found a bunch of Tootsie toys over here. A lot of parts to Tootsie's toys in this area of this dump here. There's an old abandoned house, demolished house. Glass, lots of glass over here too. Lots of glass. Right there. Go easy with it. And some foil. Some tin foil. Look like some brass actually. Some brass. Lots of glass. This place is crazy, man. There's an old tire. Here's an old tire right here in the ground. Okay, yeah. Screamer right here. It's quite a bit harder out here, so. Oh boy. Right there. Junkie. Oh, my pinpointer's dead. Right in there. Try not to destroy it. Right in there. Thumb. Right there. No. Some foil. Some cancel off. It's starting to get hot too. This one sounds junky. Oh, soft here. Oh, not so much right there. That's a root. Big root right there from the tree. Oh yeah, glass. Big chunk of glass right there, man. Thick glass. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Right there. What's it gonna be? Some lead. Yep, some lead. Yep. Awesome, man. Ooh, I'm getting really hungry. Oh, I'm digging this one out. This one sounds really good. Oh man, it's gonna be hard to get out. Right there. There we go. Pop right out. Oh boy. Yep. Oh, this ground is brutal out here. What's that? It's a bottle cap. Aluminum bottle cap. This one's scratchy. Sounds like aluminum. Deeper aluminum here. Oh, that chicken smells so freaking good, man. Get that away from there. Just a little bit off on this one here. On the sidewall here. Right there. Some toy? No. Some cancel off. Some foil. Some tin foil.
Out there.
Yeah. Oh God, the smell of that chicken is driving me nuts, dude. Oh man. Oh, screamer right here. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Right there, right there. Right there. Right in there. Up ring pole. Right there. It's a beaver tail. We found a lot of beaver tails here when our first time here, man. It was pretty crazy. A lot of beaver tails. Big piece of iron here. Sounds pretty big. Right there. Oh boy. Come on, baby. Right there. Some, oh, I found another license plate tag, dude. 1950 something.
Is it a whole one?
Not quite a full one. 1950 something. Partial one. Right. Is the rest of it in there? Come on, baby, bring it on. It's a nail. I'll go for it. It's probably another nail. Right? There's a lot of nails here. Yeah. Just waste my time with that, right?
Passing up stuff.
Huh?
Passing up stuff. That's the plug right here you just dug.
Uh-huh.